Imagine it's Friday evening, the week is finally over, and after working, running errands, taking care of everybody and everything, you finally get a chance to slow down a little bit. What are you cooking? For me, Friday evening is the perfect time to get in the kitchen and just make something that feels like home. So tonight, I am making brown stew chicken with rice and peas. Now, if you grew up in a Jamaican home, you know food was never just food. Food was how we brought everybody together. Somebody could walk through those doors at any minute after a long day and smell the chicken cooking, and immediately they knew, yeah, man, dinner is going to be good tonight. And the funny thing is about Jamaican families is that you don't necessarily have to invite anybody to dinner. Once them smell the food I cook, them know, say yes, dinner is cooking. Everybody just start show up in the kitchen. People just start appear from nowhere. Where you cook? What time dinner go ready? Can I taste the chicken? Beg a piece. Like, look, me just start cook. Nothing already yet. But that's just family. And I think that one of the things that I love most about Jamaican food, it carries memories. The smell of the herbs and the spices and just the sound of children laughing and playing outside waiting for them dinner. One time, my grandmother was singing a song. Children, children, come to the river. I wanna born again. I wanna feel brand new. And all me and my cousin them here was children, children, come for your dinner. Everybody appeared at the kitchen, like even as grown adults we remember and we talk about it. But yeah, that rich brown color on that chicken, the sound of the pot bubbling on the stove, all those little things can take you right back to a kitchen you grew up in. And then there's the rice and peas. Like, who have brown stew without rice and peas? It's not natural. It's not normal. I mean, some people might have dumpling with it, but for me, brown stew go with rice and peas. And if you grow up in a Jamaican home, you already know there's always somebody in the family who has an opinion about the rice. Don't make it too soft. Me not like my rice shelly. Or where's the peas? This need more peas. This need more coconut milk. Or me like my rice shelly. Like everybody suddenly becomes a chef when dinner is being made. But that's just what makes these meals special. It's not always about making a fancy dinner. It could be making something everybody can just sit down and enjoy. And after a long day, a long week of school or work, it's just just something comforting about finally sitting down with a plate of food that reminds you of growing up in Jamaica. On Friday evenings in Jamaican household is different for everybody. Some people may cook something very light like fried dumplings or ackee and saltfish. Um, some people cooking early. If you're Adventist, you cook early Friday evening before sunset because you know you're preparing for your Sabbath. And if you're a Sunday worshiper, you're probably getting out your clothes to wash early Saturday morning, cleaning house. Some people playing loud music. Everybody, there's just a different dynamics between families, depending on how you grow up. For me, growing up, Friday evening there was a music called Top 30 where they play Jamaica's top 30 songs, and you know we used to dance to music and stuff like that. There's always somebody telling story, and they always wait until late at night to tell us the scary dopey stories. Like that was like my worst memories, the dopey stories. But when you grow up and you realize that it wasn't just about the food, it was about the people, it's about the conversation, the laughter, the fun that we had with family. And look at this lovely pot of brown stew chicken. It was just perfect. And that is what it's doing to me right now. It's bringing me back all the memories of growing up in Jamaica, all the fun that I had with all my cousins. Like, for instance, this morning we were eating breakfast and my husband had a muscle contract in his big toe. And then my daughter remember when she and I was in Walmart and I had a muscle contract in my big toe. And it was just like a crazy laughter. But just go ahead and share with me in the comment section one of your favorite memories growing up in Jamaica. But right now, this Friday evening is giving me a good pot of brown stew chicken, rice and peas, and a little Jamaican flavor and a whole lot of love. So if you're watching this and you're Jamaican, you already know what this plate means. And if you're not Jamaican, well, there's always enough for everybody. Come and sit down and eat with us. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Now, let me go and enjoy this plate before somebody come and ask me for seconds because there's not enough for seconds, all right? Thank you all so much for watching and enjoy the rest of your weekend. Bye.